If you want to send a WhatsApp broadcast message to your customer, you cannot just send any message anytime. WhatsApp has a 24-hour messaging rule, which means you can only freely message to users within 24 hours after they message you first. So, what if you want to send them offers, reminders, updates, or promotions outside that 24-hour window? That's where WhatsApp message templates come in. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a WhatsApp message template in Greenbubble. Get it approved by Meta and use it for broadcasting messages to your audience. So here I am on the Greenbubble dashboard. You need to make sure that your Greenbubble is signed in. So here in the WhatsApp section, I will go to Bot Manager. Basically, templates makes your business more efficient. It saves time, and obviously it creates leads when the customer sees the sales and gets the new offer. Here I am on the bot manager section. On the bot reply section, as you can see, here are a lot of templates which are approved by Meta. So basically, let's just create one. To create one template, we need to go with mixed template. So as you can see over here, we firstly need to name our template, then select the language and go ahead with it. So let's firstly just name the template, demo template. Then the language, which is English, like it is the default language of the template. You can choose another language too. So basically here in the template category, we get three options. So this is the important part. Like if you select on utility, then you create a template for general messaging, like just a message. As you can see on the left side of the screen, like it only sends a message. It may not just promote your product or service. So the costing for utility templates is much lesser. So when we move to marketing, when you do marketing of a product using templates, the costs are higher than the utility ones, and the OTP ones has another different feature of its own and another different settings. So today let's talk about marketing. So we need to write a header type. Like for example, if I click on text, like then the text will be sent first before the message I type here. So if I select image, then the image will be displayed first before the message body. If I select any of the either, that will be displayed first. So let's talk about the most important content, which is message body. This is the thing that plays the most part. So what we write should be engaging. So if we prefer to AI for now, that will be a good idea. So I have this prompt, like as you can see over here, I have this prompt for templates. So if I copy this prompt and I go to ChatGPT and ask for a template, it gives me this kind of a template. We can like fill our booking ID over here. Like we can obviously edit the template, like appointment, date, and etc. We just need to copy paste it and go ahead with like pasting it over here. As you can see, we'll remove extra text. As you can see on the left side of my screen, like this is how the template will look like. And as you can see, the outro message, thank you for choosing us, we look forward for serving you. Like these things are really efficient. Like if you're a shopping brand and different things, like these things are a priority to create a hook to your customer and increase leads. Now let's move downwards, which is the footer text. The footer text is usually your website name or maybe something else, maybe the manager name or something else. Like for now, let it be the website name. After that comes the add button option. So we can add different action buttons to it. For example, buttons to click from, like customers can choose from different products and buttons. Or we can just use visit a website button or call a phone number button and copy offer code, which is like most commonly seen in shopping platforms. So we can choose any of the either. So let's choose like quick reply buttons, which is like adding buttons. So as you can see over here, I have added one button. Let's add two of them to make it look like a real template. So yeah, so here is how two buttons have been created. Now we can write anything. For now I'm writing button 1 and button 2. But before saving, we left one thing, which is the header text. The header text could be like something related to any festival nearby, like for example, Diwali offer. Here are four options over here. The name, AI rewrite. If we click on the option like AI rewrite, it will like rewrite the template. You can also choose these variables like system appointment booking ID, system appointment dates, etc. That can be discussed in furthermore videos. Now we will just save the settings. After saving, we get a notification like template has been successfully saved, and you can see that the status of this template is submitted. So how do we get it verified by Meta? So here is the catch. We need to sync these templates first. So as you can see, when I sync the template has been approved by Meta.